Oh, hey, we're live. All right. Welcome to my back patio on a Sunday night. I just want to show you something here real quick. It's a quick review of another rifle. This is from Standard Manufacturing. It's not a company I'm very familiar with. I just picked this up recently. So this is the box it comes in. I'll show you the gun in just a second. It comes in a massive box. Like, they really give you a lot of cardboard. So the rifle model, it's the STD-15. They thought it was a good idea to go with STD. You know, standard 16-inch 5.56 edition. All right, please pardon my poodles. So start at the back here. It comes with a Rogers Super Stock. You know what? Let me show you something over here real quick. It has 6 positions. This is the adjustment lever right here. I checked it out earlier. It's got a 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, there were 6 when I counted last. Now it has this cool tension lever here. If you pull that tension lever up, it locks it really nice and firm. To unlock it, it's got just the slightest bit of wiggle. It's got a tension lever to make it nice and tight. It's got really pointy backside there. Really grip into your shoulder. All right, so check this out. It does have a couple cool little features here. It has, all right, plays part in our low quality production. Our pit bull just knocked over our light ring. Please hold on. Highest quality production here, folks. Tell you what. Oh yeah, so it has a double. So the end plate here has 2 places to attach your sling to. If you have that type of attachment, you cannot do a quick detach back here, but you can back here on either side. You could, if you have a quick detach swivel type, you can attach it back here. I thought that was kind of cool. They would include that, and as you can see, it has a ambidextrous safety. It's a little bit more of an entry-level rifle. You don't normally see that. I think that was pretty cool. The grip is from Mission First Tactical. It doesn't. You can, you know, it's open on the bottom. It doesn't have a cover like the Magpul MOE would. It's not bad. Action seems pretty smooth. So it has a 16-inch barrel. This is a 13. I'm not sure if it's 13 and a half. I think it's a 13-inch handguard. You can see it's got that cool little cutout there. They used a carbine length gas system. You know, I prefer a mid-length gas system on a 16-inch. Be a little bit softer recoil impulse. But they have a, you know, low-profile gas block. You can see that in there. But you know, if the carbine gas system was giving you too much gas, you could just use a heavier buffer weight, slow down the bull carrier group. Now let me pop this open here. The takedown pin is a little stiff here. Let me very carefully and professionally push this out. Oh man. There we go. Let me work for that one. So, I did not weigh the buffer. From what I understand, it is a standard 3-ounce buffer. But you know, if you were getting too much gas, you could just put heavier buffer weights in there. It has the standard mil-spec trigger. I will measure the pull weight just a second here. Comes with, this is just a standard mil-spec charging handle, you would expect. This is a M16 bull carrier group, which is great. This one has a salt bath nitride finish, is what they call it. Oh, let's check out. Is it going to pass the test? Oh, yeah. It is staked. Could have done a little better job on the staking there, but you know, they tried. Other than that, it looks pretty decent. We'll go ahead and put that back in there. So I pop that pin back in. Oh, there we go. Let's go ahead and measure the pull weight on this. We are at 5.5, 6. Whoa. It's a little bit over 7.5 pounds there. Try it again. We were at 7 pounds and about 4 ounces. I bumped there a bit at the end. Let's try one more time. Let's get this out of the way. Six and a half. Oh, there broke. 2 ounces under 7 pounds. One more time just for the fun of it. Next time we're a couple ounces over 7 pounds. So you're a little stiff. You can always rectify that with some later springs or an aftermarket trigger. Other than that, you know, you got the standard A2 flash hider there. You know, once again, I forgot to check exactly what profile this barrel is. It's about a medium profile. I'll put more details down in the description along with the SKU and all of that. But overall, it's very decent. The reviews on this are really good. This is the same company that makes the DP12 shotgun, I believe it is. I don't have any experience with that. This is my first product that I've handled from standard manufacturing. I'm going to put a couple rounds through tomorrow just to check the ejection pattern and all that. It comes with one magazine, so I said it has Mission First Tactical Grip. It also has a Mission First Tactical 30-round mag. I have no experience with those. It looks like a very straight off knockoff of the P-mag. We'll see about that. Seems decent. And then it also comes with the owner's manual and a lock. And check it out. It comes with a little tab of a little bit of Lucas gun oil. How about that? I haven't tried the Lucas products. I'm sure they're great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, it has M-lock type of rail. It has QD sockets for your sling in front and rear on both sides. It has M-lock. Wow, it is M-lock at at what do you call that? You call that 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6 o'clock, 7.5 at every single position except 12 o'clock. And then at 12 o'clock, it does have the holes in the bottom of the slots for lighter weight and better cooling, I reckon. It's got the cool little cutouts. You can ram it into somebody if you need to. Or you just attach an M-lock bayonet there if you would like. So this has a 1 in 8 twist to it. So yeah, it's a great little rifle. I'm sure it would do someone just fine. Thanks for watching my Sunday night backyard patio video.